So hey guys, hello, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. So for today's video, this is another brand new episode. So I will be talking about things to do on the bridge after the anchor has brought up. So I repeat, things to do on the bridge after the anchor has brought up, especially you are the OOW. So if you are new here, this is the Bihero Master Seaman channel, ang pinakatotoo at simpleng channel ng mga marino. So this channel is sharing tips, tutorials, and real-life experiences on board the vessel so that our viewers can understand and know how the life of seaman on board actually is. So if you find this video amusing and helpful, so please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. So this video will help you guide how, as the OOW, as officer of the watch, will perform the necessary procedures after the anchor has brought up. So the main point is the master will declare the brought up time of the anchor and will order you to finish everything. So in a moment, we're gonna show you the actual scenario on the bridge. So sa atuwa pang dialect nga Binisaya, so dili gyud ta magbuot-buot kung unsang oras sa tamuhatag og let's say na brought up na ang angkla, meaning to say ni kagat na guys. Unya ang kapitan ra gyud mo muhatag og oras kay usay ma-misinterpret na tong kapitan mo yung giunhan nimo sa iyahang desisyon. Pero kung sinati na nimo ang iyahang kuan mo medyo sa tawagan na sa Bisaya nga medyo kampante na kani kapitan, medyo close mo, so at least may mga mas okay, way problema. Pero ang muhatag dun sa saktong oras sa let's say brought up anchor or finish with engine ang kapitan jud. So wa gyud lain ang as OW, ikaw watch and learn ra jud ka. Kung mo declare na si kapitan og okay brought up na siya guys, o third chief brought up na, okay finish with engine kaning oras mao ra gyud na ang imuhang buhaton. So next, so essentially the master has the sole responsibility and authority whether or not the anchor has brought up. So meaning to say guys, si kapitan ra gyud ang maulagi na ay authority nga mayong brought up. Ayaw sa pagbuot-buot ka, unya ra ka magbuot-buot kung makapitan na ka bisag unsa nato ka number 1 ning tanga sa akong kapitan nga hinayon man akong kapitan ataka ra mig moves ani adbisan pag ingana tong kapitan, you have to respect the master ato yung respetuon, di gyud ta ka sulti og dautan niya sa iyang mga lakang, iyang mga desisyon kay nga naman siya may kapitan. So unya nagreklamo inig ka nang ikay makapitan na ka, di ba? So next is this is a routine task that OOW should be familiar of. So kung officer of the watch ka guys, routine naman gud siya, pero say man masipyat pamantang nga perting balik-balik ra man gud mo nang ubang kapitan medyo malagot jud nimo kay balik-balik raw nya usahay na kay wa na switch off or wa nimo napatay, wa nimo nakuan ngana ba nya. So inig-check sa kapitan tay wa magyad po ni nakat po ni si third si kami sige tagbalik-balik ang klanya pila na experience ani nya wa gyud siya ni kat-on nga balik-balik ra mo to ning trabaho. So ayaw gyud kumpiyansa, so balik-balik kani siya. So this video can help you a lot, just watch till the end. So next guys, but the problem is if you have an easily nervous and terror captain, so and you would notice that still you cannot do these procedures perfectly, despite your experience or despite how many months you are already on board. So for sure you would hear nasty and distasteful things thrown to you at that moment. Pero ang problema manggod aning mga Pilipino usahay, istoryaan nimo og medyo sakit tugod sa bukog yung mga luod mo sila bisag di sila kamao bisag sala gyud nila ang uban mga luod libog sa takay di nasad sa pasulti ba kung mao po ni nakamaot nato ning ubang mga Pilipino nga sultian nato nya sila nanuoy mangluod nato nya di na day magtingog-tingog or marang na day kasakit nga gibati silang kasing-kasing. So ang kuan na gani kung kamo kung mahibaw-an niyo kung makapitan na mo nya ana inyong opisyal unya depende lagi sa kapitan, may kapitan nga nervyoso gud og tiro dali ka nervyoso kasi luan lang pud siya kay dili ba lalim ng nervyoso taw nya dili mo kabaw sa imong trabaho unya di mo kabaw nya kasab-an mo ni kapitan nya maingon day mo ni kapitan nga si kapitan ka nervyoso ako daning tawanaw pero ikay nagdahag nervyos lagi ni kapitan. So di ba, so mao na siya. And number 1 guys, next guys is to avoid being belittled or insulted insulted by your master. Please watch the video till the end, so hopefully this video can help you. This is all routine jobs, pero basically even wherever ship I have been to, I just follow this procedure. So it's already muscle. It's already muscled in my mind, guys. So without further ado, guys, let's dive in.
Okay guys, so after the master declared that the anchor lowered into the water has been brought up already, meaning to say the anchor is riding in her chain or cable. So these are the five things to do on the bridge to finish everything. Let's say for example number one guys. So number one is to remind the forward party to hoist the anchor ball. So this is a daylight on the forward part there, the mast. So there is an anchor ball to be hoisted there after strapping the anchor. If you are number one, you just, once the anchor is strapped, you can hoist the anchor ball on the spot. So there's no problem with that. And number two, guys, is to finish with the bow thruster. So for example, this is our bow thruster controller. So you have to finish this one, so no need. So in here, we just have to, we have good seamanship. We have number one, number two, just stop the thruster, finish with the thruster. And number three, you have to finish with the engine, guys. So as you can see, the finish with engine indicator is blinking. To say this is finished with engine, guys. So normally during approach or during maneuvering, this should be on the standby mode, and then now it's finished with engine. So we don't need the engine anymore. And also, if you ran the steering pumps, which normally should be in any narrow channel or approaches, anchorage or in berthing and berthing, so you must leave one pump running. So this is number four, I think. For one is the anchor ball. Number two, finish with thruster. Finish number three, finish with the engine, and this one is keep one steering pump running. And number five, guys, is okay here in EIS. So you must let's say change the nav status from underway using engine to at anchor. So this is at anchor, guys. Number six, guys, next is the switch off the nav lights, guys. Nav lights. So this is the navigation lights. Is the meaning to say navigation, guys, when the vessel is running. So you should have these lights. The, let's say this was forward masthead light. You have the aft masthead light, the port side light, starboard side light, and the stern light. And then activate the forward anchor and stern anchor lights, the anchor lights during nighttime. So this is the nighttime lights. So you have the forward anchor, switch on, and you have the stern anchor. You should also switch on. I think, guys, so that's it.
So hopefully guys, you have learned something from this video. So as I've said earlier, this is only routine, as part of the OOW job after the anchor has brought up. So this is actually your job to check that everything is taking place or is under control. So that's it, the things to do on the bridge after the anchor has brought up. So are you satisfied about the procedures? Okay ba? Okay ba ako ang mga moves dito? Kasi na ako nasipyat. So ay lang sa goal kung dili man ko masuko og kusibay ko sahay subject to kuan man siya continuous learning, because seafaring is not that really difficult because of its nature that most jobs are only routine jobs. So dali ra jud kay bisag balik-balikon bisag di ta kabalo nang katungod sa balik-balik. So did I miss something, guys? So did I miss something when when you look at the video? Did I miss something? So or do you agree with me? Okay ba mo? Tugot ba mo sa ako ang mga moves dito? O ako'y nabiling, nasipyat? So, please let me know in the comment section. So, thank you guys for watching till the end. Hope you guys learned something from this. Please like, again, subscribe, and consider also to watch my other Patakais videos. So, daghan, I have more videos. So, actually, lisod og sige po tag video kay kalas og load unya wa po'y internet kayo nga kusog. So, ang importante Patakay video ra ta. So, see you on my next episode, guys. Bye for now.